All right. So I just used a 2K sealer to seal up a cardboard door. Quite interesting how those cheap doors are made. It ain't gonna be a cheap door when I'm finished with it. And the sealer didn't lift. I mean, nothing happened. So I'm thinking my base coat is gonna just sit nice and pretty up there. At least that's what I'm hoping. Let's see what happens. So that's the sealer, and it's gorgeous, and it's stuck. I mean, I've done body work on it. I've dolphin glazed it. I did hit it with a little 180 in a couple little spots, 320. You hit the corners and it'll fuzz up. We put the 2K primer on it. It's stuck. I hit those corners that were fuzzy and knocked the fuzz off, and shot the sealer. And man, if that was a match with, I don't know if it is or it isn't, but if that's a match with the Alfa Romeo white that I've got to match the acrylic latex that's going on all of the trim, I had it custom mixed yesterday. If that's anywhere near it, you could dang near get away with just shooting the sealer on it. I don't know how durable the stuff is, but pretty nice. I forgot to say it's pretty nice.